Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2019 Toyota Sienna. This is the LE front-wheel drive model. It's in the pre-dawn gray mica exterior, and it has the ivory cloth interior. It's an 8-passenger minivan. Let's take a look inside. It has all auto up and down power windows, power locks, power adjustable mirrors. Driver's seat is power adjustable. The passenger seat is manual adjustable. Traction control. Nice cubby for change, ownership. This is to turn the power doors off. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel Bluetooth and audio controls. Has Toyota Safety Sense, so there's lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control. You have a 4.2-inch multi-information display screen, digital speedometer, fuel economy, trip time, time until rest. So if you're driving for too long, the car will tell you whenever it's time to rest. Coffee cup will show up, your audio. It's your dynamic radar cruise control, any messages, and this is the settings. It's an 8-inch touchscreen display with a 6-speaker audio system. Has AM, FM radio, CD player. It's Bluetooth capable as well. This is also where the backup camera is. Has an 8-speed automatic transmission. Tri-zone climate control settings, so driver, passenger, and rear all have their own temperatures. There are more cup holders. You have USB and auxiliary ports, 12-volt accessory outlets, heated front seats, dual cup holders, nice size glove box, auto dimming review mirror with compass and garage door openers, overhead sunglass storage, the interior lights, the dual power sliding back doors. 17-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks, has keyless entry, fuel economy rating of 10.8 liters per 100 kilometers, towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. We have a very spacious trunk. Seats go right into the floor, and they have a 60-40 split. There's even a 12-volt accessory outlet back there for them. This is where you can store the middle seat in between the two captain chairs in the middle row. The middle row has 2 captain chairs and an additional middle seat. There's cup holders, USB ports, power outlet. There's pockets on the back of the driver and passenger side. Sunshades on the back windows. That's where they control their own temperature. Has side curtain airbags, totaling 8 airbags for the Sienna. And to get to the back, it's really easy. Just pull this handle up, slide the seat forward. You got your second set of mats. You got dual cup holders on each side and the glove box. And again, sunshades on those back windows. Has power adjustable and heated exterior mirrors, automatic halogen headlight system. It's a 3.5 liter V6 engine with 296 horsepower and 263 pounds of torque. Come check out our new 2019 Toyota Sienna models at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.